Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit or lie down uninterrupted. Close your eyes and take a deep centering breath. As you exhale, let go of any immediate stresses or tensions. Feel yourself settling into this present moment. Visualize your heart as a radiant beacon of light. With each breath, this light grows brighter and stronger. Recognize that this light embodies your love, warmth, and connection. Imagine a golden thread emerging from this beacon, stretching out far and wide, traversing cities, mountains, and oceans. At the other end of this thread is another luminous heart, the heart of your loved one. Feel the connection between these two beacons. Though physical miles may separate you, this golden thread remains unbroken, transmitting love, thoughts, and emotions between you two. Now, picture a space where both you and your loved one are present. It could be a serene beach, a cozy room, or a vast open meadow. In this space, time and distance do not exist. It's just you and them. As you stand or sit together, communicate without words. Feel the warmth of their presence, the sound of their heartbeat, and the comfort of their essence. This space is sacred, a sanctuary where both of you can always meet, no matter the distance. Share with them your hopes, dreams, and fears. Listen as they share theirs. In this realm, there's only understanding, compassion, and boundless love. Take a few moments to simply be with your loved one, cherishing the bond that defies distance. Slowly, as you bask in the afterglow of this connection, allow the scene to dissolve, but the feelings to remain. The golden thread retracts back into your heart, but it never disappears. It remains a testament to the enduring bond you share, ready to be activated anytime you need it. Gently start bringing your awareness back to the physical space you're in. Notice the surface beneath you, the temperature of the air, and the sounds around you. Take a deep, revitalizing breath, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. This meditation serves as a reminder that while physical distance may separate you from a loved one, love knows no boundaries or barriers. It transcends time and space, always finding a way to connect and nurture.